Alrighty friends, let's try two more problems together. So first off, start drawing your box. That looks like a window. It has two boxes stacked on top of each other. Then we're going to do 53 times 48. First thing, we need to take our 53 and put it into expanded form. The 5 is worth 50 and the 3 is worth 3. Make sure you put those on top of each box right there. Then we're going to put our 48 going down the side. 40 plus 8 equals 48. Then let's get our fingers ready to trace where our numbers will go, because we know area model is length times width, so our numbers need to go down and over. So let's start off at our 50, and let's trace which boxes it'll go in. So it needs to go in this box, and it needs to go down in this box. Let's do the same thing with the 3. Trace our fingers where it's going to go. 3 needs to go in this box. 3 also needs to go in this box. Then we need to do that same thing with our side number, but it's going to go over. So let's trace where our 40 goes. 40 goes into this box. 40 also goes into this box. Last one, let's do our 8. Trace where your 8 is going to go. 8 will go over into this box. And 8 will also keep going on over into this box. And we are going to multiply those numbers together. Let's start off in this first box just to keep ourselves organized. All right, 5 times 4 is 20. And then we need to add on 2 more zeros, making our answer 2,000. Next, we have 3 times 40. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 more zero makes it 120. Now let's go on to 50 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. But we have to add on 1 more zero. We can't forget that zero. Last box, 3 times 8 is 24. Then let's stack these numbers up on the side, making sure that we line up our place values. I like to start with the biggest number on the bottom. So I will put 2,000, 120, 424. After that, making sure our place values are lined up and then we can read our own handwriting, we are going to add those together starting in the ones place. So 4 plus nothing is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus nothing is 2. That gives us a grand total of 2,544. Good job, friends. Once you have that, let's erase our boards and let's try another one. So remember, first off, you need to start off with your box that has 2 boxes stacked on top of each other. That looks like a window, just like this. Our equation is going to be 93 times 57. First thing, figure out where your numbers go. So, 93. That would be 90 plus 3. Good job if you got that. What about our 59? Where does it go? Yeah, it goes on the side with 50 plus 9. Then let's take our numbers down and over. So first, I will start off with my 90. And I'm going to trace with my finger which boxes it goes in. So 90 goes down, and it will also go down here. My 3 will go down and down. Then I'll hop on over to my side number. 50 will go over and over. Last one, our 9. Our 9 will go over and over one more time. And we know we are going to multiply these together. All right, let's start off in our first box. Remember, ignore the zeros and then add them back on at the end. So 9 times 5 is 45, plus 2 zeros gives you 4,500. Next box, we have 50 times 3. So do 5 times 3 is 15, plus one more zero makes it 150. Next box, 90 times 9. Well, I know 9 times 9 is 81, plus one more zero makes it 810. Then in my last box, I just have to do 3 times 9 is 27. Let's get ready to add these numbers up, making sure our place values are lined up and that we can read our own handwriting. Alrighty, now that we have our numbers rewritten to the side, let's go ahead and add them up. So 7 plus all these zeros would be a 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 8, 9, plus 5 more gives you 14, which means we would need to carry a 1 and add it on to this 4. Our final answer would be 5,487. Good job, friends. Thank you for following along and trying your hardest.